Clients ask me all the time for quick and easy dinner recipes. So today's recipe is a sweet potato and tuna cakes. The tuna that you use is the tin tuna in oil, not in brine, because it's got more flavor. So all you do is you open up your tin and you drain the oil. So in the mixing bowl, we'll put 1 tin of tuna. Then in the food processor, I put half a salad onion and half a white onion. You could also grate this. Sweet potato. All you do is peel a sweet potato, boil it until soft and mash it. Fresh herbs. Chop parsley and chives. A little bit of fresh garlic. Then we use lemon zest and lemon juice. And this adds a lot of great flavor to your tuna cakes. Never zest the white part of a lemon, that will be very bitter. Cut in half, and then we're just going to add some juice in here. Little squeeze of fresh lemon juice. To bind everything, we add an egg, and then our seasoning, salt and pepper, a little bit of Parma seasoned sea salt, or you can use the fish spice as well, and then a little bit of smoked paprika. I love to use smoked paprika in fish cakes, and especially in this recipe. So now all you do is you mix this together, and the sweet potato adds lovely flavor to this recipe. Finally, we add some breadcrumbs. So this is just homemade breadcrumbs. After this, we're going to start to make little patties and then fry it in hot oil. Best will be to use your hands. So just make medium-sized patties. So after you've prepared the little patties, what you do is you place that into breadcrumbs again. Just coat them. And now best is put this in the fridge for around about 30 minutes. It will help the patties just to go nice and firm before you put it in the oil. After the 30 minutes in the fridge, you will just take the little patties and place them in hot oil, and you will fry this for about 1.5 minutes on both sides until golden brown. So this is now nice and golden brown on both sides. So we drain it on a little bit of paper towel. You can serve your sweet potato and tuna cakes with a side salad or some roasted veg and some lemon or lime wedges. For the full recipe, please view our Facebook page, The Little Pink Chef.